Hey William, I have a gift for you.
What is this?
Is it 3D printer? Let's see what it can do.
Can it do anything?
Of course.
I want a car, an aeroplane, a little cat, a little dog, a Superman, a castle, many, 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 many. I want all of them.
Okay, let's create a cute little cat first.
Let me plug in the data cable.
No need. This device can be connected to a computer for work or work offline with TF card. We use a TF card
What do we need to do now?
to load the filament first.
How should we do it?
Turn left to load, turn right to exit the fulfillment.
So easy. What is this?
The product will be printed on this flexible panel, and after printing, the finished product can be easily removed by bending the panel.
Has it started working yet?
Press this button to start.
It's so easy to start working with just one click. And I can also operate it.
Be careful! This is a heating platform with a temperature of 16 degrees. You cannot touch it. Also, its printing nozzle is very hot, which can burn your hands.
Yes, it's hot. Why does it need this heating plate?
If there is no heating plate, warping may occur during printing, causing printing failure. Adding this heating plate is to avoid problem.
I see. Can I take it tomorrow and share it with my friends? It's not heavy at all. I can put it in my backpack.
Of course, but you need to learn how to use it.
It's easy. I think I already know.
Next, we can do other things and wait for it to be completed.
I can wait for it while studying. It works quietly and looks very cute.
Let's assemble it together.
This is a big project, but I enjoy it.
Would you like this 3D printer?
I like it very much. Mom, I want to give you a gift.
Oh, thank you, my baby. What a surprise! I really like it.
I also printed photos of our family.
Great idea.
Mom, I love you.
I love you too.